So hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most and newest most talk about AI tools, like one of the recent best AI tools out there, okay, which is Flux AI. This powerful tool has been gaining attention fast, even giving competitors like Midjourney a run for their money. If you're into AI generated art or just curious about how these tools work, this beginner friendly guide is for you, so let's get into it. But before that, make sure to check in the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So now let's talk about what is Flux AI. Okay. So if you have never heard of it before, don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, I will break down what Flux AI is, how it works, and why it is such a big deal in the world of circuit design. So basically, Flux AI is a modern browser-based platform for designing electronic circuits. Think of it like Google Docs, but for hardware design. You can create, simulate and collaborate on electrical circuits all in one place without installing any software. Everything happens online. So what makes a Flux stand out, that it combines traditional electronics design with the power AI and real-time collaboration. It is made for hardware engineers, students, and even hobbyists who want a faster and more modern way to build systems. So now let's move forward to the main steps. Flux AI is not another image generator. I mean, it is just not another image generator. It actually features two different models. So an AI image generator, which is our focus today, and another one is Flux Core. The first one is Flux One, and this one I'm going to talk about is Flux Core. This is a tool designed for generating hardware and software systems. Very advanced and unique design. To get started, you have to go to Flux AI. As you can see, I have already opened the website, and you have to tap on try Flux for free. We will start with Flux One, which recently launched version 1.1, a big upgrade with new features and models. So let's choose this one, Flux Point 1. Now tap on to get started with Flux One.ai. And now choose the aspect ratio. Is it for video or for social media reels? For me, I'm gonna just tap on the 16:9 ratio. Okay, let's go to Chat GPT. Okay, and let's generate a prompt from Chat GPT on generate me a prompt for super unique hybrid human who is conquering the world for generating the image with the help of another AI. Now just send it. Now let's copy the prompt now, and then let's head over to Flux AI and paste the prompt. Now tap onto generate image 1 credit. Oh shit, this is not enough credits. Okay, we'll generate we can still generate a small one for it, and then let's generate. Okay, generate 1 credit. Let's ask it to smaller in one sentence. Oh, as you can see, it has generated pretty much a nice image of a cute girl. You can see this. This is basically a dark haired woman here in her early 30s playing the piano. Yeah, as you can see at the background, you can see a sheet there, image there. So this is pretty much actually nice, because most of the AI out there don't focus on the background that much, but this one has focused pretty much nicely. You can see that there's also a notebook there. That's really nice. Okay, let's check out the whole image. That's really perfect. Okay, now let's copy this one and let's generate another image if possible. Let's check it out. Shit, let's check out the, okay, let's check out their pricings now. So as you can see, on $13.90 they offer 80 credits per month. This is high quality Flux, and they generate high quality Flux images. All features are available for use: private generation, manage and delete your generated content, commercial license. You can see basically they offer 4 types of packages. You can just check them out. Like the Pro one is $13, basic one is $10.90, almost $11. Max one is $16.90, where they offer 1500 credits per month. And the last one is Pro Max package, which is $25.90, which provides 5000 credits per month. I will recommend to the beginners to go with the basic one, and if you are a pro designer or AI prompt image generator, then I will ask you to go with the Pro or Max one. Okay, so just choose the one you wish to. Basically these were on the annually, you have to pay for them for fully 1 year, and if you go to monthly one, then you can check out the Pro one is $22, basic one is $16, and that's it. You can also buy one-time packages from here easily. So this was about Flux AI. You can also choose the new one, try the Flux 1.1, and you can just paste the prompt and then tap on to generate images. Let's try. Okay, reload the page. Let's reload the page and tap on to system. Okay, that is also cool, nice. You can edit the prompt if you want. You can edit the image from here. And then you can choose the selected area. And you can just ask it to edit the area. Maybe I don't have enough credits. Yeah, right, it is asking for me to upgrade to premium. Okay, but I still think that Leonardo AI is best for image generation. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.